Let's dive into the world of Cambodian gastronomy and discover the secrets behind the irresistible allure of Kdam Chaa, a beloved traditional dish that captures the essence of Cambodian cuisine, bursting with fresh seafood and aromatic spices. Kdam Chaa showcases the rich culinary heritage of this vibrant Southeast Asian nation. Ingredients: 2 large live crabs, cleaned and quartered. 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. 5 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon finely chopped lemongrass. 1 tablespoon finely chopped galangal or ginger. 1 tablespoon Kampot pepper or black pepper, freshly ground. 1 tablespoon fish sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 red chili, thinly sliced, optional. 1 cup fresh basil leaves. Lime wedges for serving. Instructions: prepare the crabs by cleaning them thoroughly and cutting them into quarters. Crack the claws slightly to allow the flavors to penetrate while cooking. Heat the vegetable oil in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add the minced garlic, chopped lemongrass, and galangal or ginger to the wok. Stir fry for about 1-2 minutes until fragrant. Add the quartered crabs to the wok, stirring well to coat them with the aromatic mixture. Sprinkle the freshly ground Kampot pepper or black pepper over the crabs, followed by the fish sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar. Toss the crabs gently to ensure they are evenly coated with the sauce. Continue to stir-fry the crabs for about 5-7 minutes, or until they turn bright orange and are cooked through. Be careful not to overcook them, as crab meat can become tough. If using, add the thinly sliced red chili to the wok and toss briefly to incorporate. Finally, add the fresh basil leaves to the wok and stir-fry for another minute until wilted. Remove the wok from the heat and transfer the stir-fried crab to a serving platter. Serve the Kdam Chaa hot, garnished with lime wedges on the side for squeezing over the crab just before eating. Enjoy this flavorful Cambodian delicacy with steamed rice or as part of a larger seafood feast. Nutritional values: here are the approximate nutritional values for the ingredients used in the Cambodia Kdam Chaa recipe. Large live crabs, 2 crabs, cleaned and quartered. Calories: 98 kilocalories. Protein: 19 g. Fat: 2 g. Carbohydrates: 0 g. Fiber: 0 g. Benefits: rich source of protein. Vitamins such as B1, 2, and minerals like selenium and zinc, which support muscle health, immune function, and overall well-being. Vegetable oil: 3 tablespoons. Calories: 357 kilocalories. Fat: 40.5 g. Enjoy your culinary adventure with Kdam Chaa.